Breakfast of champions. Waffles. Oh, baby. Here at the Stanimals hostel. It's 9 a.m. I was supposed to meet my cousin Richard up at the trailhead at Shenandoah, the entrance to the national park, at 9 a.m. And my phone, it's been dead for the last 2 days. Today it came on and the storage was full, but now it's so full that it won't even turn on. So since last night my phone hasn't been able to turn on. It just has the Apple logo. You can't really see that, but just going on and off non-stop. So Richard's gonna come pick me up. We're gonna head to the Verizon store and hopefully they can plug it in and look at something to fix it. But such a rough start. I was so excited to meet Richard this morning and just get to hiking, and here we are with more freaking problems. So annoying. It's the third time I've gone into a town. It's the third time I've been frustrated this whole trip. The town is not the way to do it. You gotta stay in the mountains, stay in the wilderness, but Moxie's pushing through it. We're okay. Met some cool people here. Now I'm just itching to get back out there, but I do want to fix my phone first. If not, then maybe that's how it's supposed to be. All right, see ya. There he is, Rico Brown.
What's up, Dad?
What up?
How's it going?
Trail, and Denisa saw it, and I didn't see it. It had this gorgeous under.
We got Stiffy Richard back here, slowly making his way, getting this on film so he never forgets it.
We're like 150 miles in. So.
Only 1 month left. Been at it for 2 months. All right, sitting down for the best meal yet. What do we got?
Potbelly barbecue chips.
Brought to you by the Richard Brown Foundation. Picked these up in Fairfax.
Mm-hmm.
Are they from the place of residence? This is gonna be the greatest thing ever. You got the same sandwiches? What'd you get me?
Yeah, I just got two. It's a smoked ham and Swiss with all the toppings.
Let's go. How's the knee scale from 1 to 10?
It's a 0 on the flat or uphill, but downhill it's a 6.
Pain level, not good.
I'll keep stretching out though. It seems to be helping.
No phone has been actually a blessing, as frustrating as it's been. I'm thinking I'm just gonna have a new life without a phone. Later.
Azalea,
Oi!
blueberry, black huckleberry. Oh, black huckleberry.
That sounds bomb.
Maybe
We're about to get
some of that stuff we were seeing was black huckleberry. Trailing arbutus. Heath family.
Here with Rico.
Hey!
Known as Musk, Snake Musk.
Nope, that's not official yet.
Black Oak. We made 11 miles. Just looking for a good campsite here in Shenandoah. Gorgeous afternoon. Gonna have some mean dinner. Good day. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Rich and I got set up here at camp. Got both of the tents set up. We're about to pound some freaking food because we brought way too much. Gonna go set up the bear hangs if we can find a spot. Good 13-mile day. Stoked for the next couple days.